What up, YouTube? It's your boy D Finley back with another one. Welcome to Daily Init Vet's channel, where you wanted the 3-year update. Here it is.
So we're going to walk through an update on our gazebo. We haven't had to do too much. We did refresh on the planters around the legs by spray painting those a new coat of paint. Otherwise, the integrity of the gazebo has held up pretty well. Outside of the curtains, we probably need to update those with the heat and whatnot. That's faded a little bit and tattered. We also strung up some lights, so in the evening time we've got plenty of lighting. Roofing's pretty good. On those rainy nights, we haven't had any problems with any rain seeping through. So, other than that, we'll probably just get rid of or buy new curtains. I will say the planter that we purchased, they're great, except they're hard plastic, and so over the years with the Texas heat, they did kind of, the paint kind of chipped off a little bit, so we did have a little bit of problems with our raccoons. As you can see, we had some scratches from the raccoons climbing up our gazebo onto our roof. That has been taken care of. We did spray WD-40 on the roofing, just a little bit of rust, but nothing too bad. Again, you can see some of the scratch marks from the raccoons going up on our gazebo using the legs. And then they actually jumped on the top of the gazebo and then from the gazebo to our roof. Overall, we are extremely excited and happy about the gazebo and the addition it adds and the updated plants that we added to the backyard. So this is our backyard and our gazebo. If you have any questions, just let us know. We'll be glad to respond. And if you're thinking about getting one of these gazebos, we would highly encourage it. Just make sure that you do get something to stabilize it. Thanks for watching.
All right, y'all, we gave you that daylight walkthrough. Now we're giving you the nighttime. So this is what it looks like. This is when the kids go to bed and the grown and sexy comes out. So here it is at night with the lights that wifey just told you about. So anyway, this is how it came out. We're super excited. We love it. Hope you guys love it. Please subscribe, comment, and just let us know your thoughts. We love bringing you this content. And once again, pass this along. Let everybody know. Well, holla, like, comment, subscribe. We out. Enjoy the rest.